आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महारिपुः नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. Who is the biggest enemy of mankind? It is the laziness that resides in our body. And who is the most friendly person? The brethren. It is the busyness. It is the habit of remaining busy. And people who will stay busy will never be dejected. They will never ever fail in life. So this Subhashit underlines the importance of staying busy. Note the pronunciations. Sharirastho, Ri is long and Maharipuhu, Ri is short. This should be pronounced very, very precisely. Nastyudyamasamu, Na asti udyama, Nastyudyamo samo bandhu, Krutvayam navasidati. Ripu is enemy, Maharipu is big enemy, and Alasya, of course, is laziness. Let us say it together again. Alasyam hi manushyanam, Alasyam hi manushyanam, Sharirastho maharipuhu, Sharirastho maharipuhu. नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धु नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धु कृत्वायं नावसीदति कृत्वायं नावसीदति. Once again, आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महारिपुः नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति.